Hello everyone, it's Sunday and your day planner forecast brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They're located at 5847 Getwell Road in Suite A8, right across from the water tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. Going to be a nice day as skies begin to clear. Partly sunny at 8 a.m., temperature around 64 degrees, 65 and partly cloudy at noon, 66 I think at 5 p.m. with mostly sunny skies. The high today, 68. Winds today from the northwest, 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting maybe higher than that at times. I'm Sam Reichert. Hope you have a great Sunday. Relax and enjoy the birds.